Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys saw by the title, that today we are doing an unboxing. So if you are a new subscriber, welcome. My name is Loli. I hope you stay, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. So in this unboxing video, I'm gonna be unboxing two different kinds of packages, the SHEIN one and Takealot's package. We are going to start with the SHEIN one. With the SHEIN package, we're going to start with it. Let's see what's inside this big package. So the first thing I got this. I think there are 4 headbands. Let's see. I got this little clips headbands for my hair. Oh, I thought there were 4, but there are 3. I got them in 3 different kinds of colors. I think I like this one. No, I like the white one. Let's try it on. See? I like it. It's kind of cute. And it suits me, by the way. So that's why I like it. Just don't mind me guys, I was just feeling myself because what? Yeah, I like this one. I like the white one. I like the others too, but this one, the next thing I got this cute little mini top, and I don't think I ever got something in pink, so I think this top is cute. The color, everything, the print on it. Other one. Hope you see it. I'm gonna try and put the pictures up there so you guys can see what I ordered. I got this warm pantyhose for winter, obviously. This for when I'm feeling like wearing a mini skirt or a mini dress when it's cold. That's why I got it. Then I got this set of glass lashes. Y'all see that? They come with the bond and seal, spoolie, lash remover, and that thing that you use when you install them. Yeah, that's how they look. I'm so excited to have them. I've been wanting them for the longest time, and now that I have them, wow, I'm so happy. Another thing is that they come in different sizes. Here I was wondering what I got because this box was so sold. Just look at the tape. Just wow, the box. What I got exactly? I got the mirror I've been wanting for the longest time. Just unwrap this mirror so you guys can see why I'm so much excited for it. I was just connecting the pieces of the mirror because this mirror is rechargeable guys, and it has a light on it. You'll see. Just great. Oh my god, just look at this guys. And the mirror got 3 different lights on it. You'll see it has the button in the middle where you can change the lights. I'll show you. Just look at that. Wow, just look at the button. Oh my god, just look. Different lighting setups. I got another mini top, but this time in black, and then number 23 in Los Angeles. Here I was just imagining what it will look like on me. This black cute dress. Then I got the shoes. I got the shoes. I got a dress.
I got the dress that makes me a
princess, I guess. Oh my god, I just look at that. I've never had this kind of shoes, and I've never had this style. Just look at the style. I can't wait to try them on. I really can't wait to try them. Oh my god. Oh my god, yo. Them in pairs. Definitely sure they still look good on me. So next we are moving to take a lot. Next we are moving to the take a lot packages. Let's see what's inside. That I got from Take a Lot, I got this lighting to USB exporter. Since I'm recording content with my phone, I need this thing to export some stuff from my phone, because right now I'm only using my phone to record content, and this thing will help me to remove things from my phone to the USB, and I'm definitely sure this thing will be helpful. Here, I was so surprised by the size. Like, I wasn't expecting this size. Just look at how small is it. I thought it would be a USB size. Like, I didn't expect it to be smaller than the USB. But anyway, as long as it will be helpful to me, I don't mind, because I need space on my phone. And then I got this C-shaped table, just a little mini table. I'll put it on the side up there so you guys can see it, so you guys can see what it looks like. I guess I'll just have to connect the pieces myself, because it came with the screws. You'll see, here are the screws. This came with the table. Then I got the ring light and the stand, because the ring light that I was using last time, it got broken, and then I was just using natural lighting. I'm not saying that natural lighting is not good. It is good. Like right now I'm using the window lighting, but when I'm feeling like recording at night, definitely I'll have to use the ring lights lighting. The natural lighting is for the day, and the ring light is for the night. Hope you'll get what I'm saying. The last thing that I got the shoe rack for my shoes. Here I was just surprised by the pieces because I didn't expect that I'll have to connect so many pieces for myself. No, I didn't expect that. But judging by the box, I saw it, I knew it.
If you watched till the end, thank you so much, and that's it on today's video. Thank you so much. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye.